TikTok affiliate marketing for beginners. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do affiliate marketing as a complete beginner using TikTok in 2021. Firstly, come on to tiktok.com. So guys, when you come on to tiktok.com, from over here you can basically see the main interface on TikTok. So I'm going to be firstly showing you a couple of pages that are doing this right now so that you guys understand what you're up to and how are you going to go about that. So simply open up Smart Spaces. So once you open up Smart Spaces on TikTok, you can see that this particular page has over 300,000 followers. So like, what does this do? This page literally just makes videos about different products from Alibaba and then sells them on its own shop. So for example, I'm gonna open up a video over here from this particular page. So we have this particular video. I'm simply gonna play this out for you guys. So now we'll be able to see basically this video once this plays. If it doesn't play, well then it's fine as well. Sometimes TikTok glitches in the browser, so like not in our control in a way, but over here you can essentially see the idea. Like this particular page is only uploading videos about like unusual products that you would not like find on regular grocery stores, and that really gets people to like, you know, actually click on your particular video, and that really gives you a lot of views. So like that is essentially the idea. So I'm gonna open up a couple more accounts as well. So like we have Good Things, we have Nice Mattress. So like all of these pages, essentially what they're doing is that they're literally just like, you know, uploading videos, uploading things about different things. Like for example, this particular TikTok page is focused on mattresses. So like over here we can essentially see their videos. So I'm simply gonna open up this video and I'm gonna just take a look. So like these videos are really nice, and honestly like products like these sell a lot because these are really ergonomical. So like for example, like over here this was a bed, now it's a sofa, now it's a dining table. Like this is just so many things all at once. So I'm gonna like, you know, just play a couple more videos so that basically you guys understand how are you gonna find these products. So like these products actually have to be like, you know, unusual products that you would not find on regular grocery stores, and that is basically how you will be able to make them stand out. So like voila, like that is super nice, bro. Like honestly this is so fun. So now from over here what you can do is you can literally just like, you know, click on upload and you can literally upload similar TikToks. So how do you do that? Firstly, what you need to do is you need to simply open up a new tab, and then after that simply type in Alibaba.com. So guys, once you type in Alibaba, after that type in .com, and then that is gonna take you over to Alibaba.com. So once you come on over here, now essentially you will be able to see all the different products that are being offered by Alibaba right now. So I'm simply gonna let this load up for a few seconds. Now once this loads up, you will essentially be able to see all the different products available right in front of you. So now from over here what I want you to do is that I want you to simply type in over here something unusual. So I'm gonna type in TikTok products. So like usually there are stores by this name as well. So like that is essentially how you can find, you know, like really unusual products. So we have this TikTok light being sold for like, you know, $3 to $5. Guys, this light can easily go for like, you know, 20 or like even $25 on over here on TikTok if you were to like, you know, upload videos of it. So what can you do? What you can do is that you can simply like, you know, find products that are really unusual. So I'm simply gonna like, you know, search around and find a product that I think is really unusual. So like this one looks really nice. This is basically a portable setup for all your TikTok needs. And then we have these setups as well. I'm gonna change the search to like something else. So I'm gonna basically type in over here unusual products, and once I type in unusual products over here, I will be able to see a lot of unusual products because like Alibaba's algorithm is really nice. It really shows you really unusual products. So we have like all these different products come up. So like this is really nice. This is basically a type Wi-Fi vending machine. So I'm gonna simply open this up, and once I open this up, over here you can basically see its video. So you can literally just download this video as well. What you can do is that you can simply like, you know, go to Google and type in Alibaba video downloader, and once you do that, that is going to basically let you download these videos quickly all in one. So like that is essentially how it works. So now what you can do is that you can literally just get this video and you can come onto TikTok and upload it over here on your own page. Now once you do that, after that it is going to be a-okay, and you will be getting a lot of views on your particular channel. So now from over here what you can do is simply click on upload from the top right, firstly you will have to sign up. So like if you see this, simply click on cross and refresh the page. So once you refresh the page, you will be able to see this in front of you. If you don't, still wait for a couple of seconds, and then you can see that you can continue with either Google, Twitter, Apple, Instagram, or Facebook. So like that is essentially how it works. Now another awesome thing that you can do is you can literally basically use a affiliate marketplace service. So for example, what you can do is you can simply go to YouTube, and then from YouTube what you can do is you can simply find a video about weight loss. So like the videos with the most views are usually about weight loss, where the girl is losing belly fat. So I'm gonna simply type in over here weight loss transformation. Now once you type in weight loss transformation, after that you will be able to see a lot of videos come up. So you have all these videos, simply click on filters and then click on Creative Commons. Now once you do this, you will be able to see all these transformations come up, and all of these transformations are available for you guys to essentially just use them, and you can simply download them using YouTube HD downloader, and you can simply re-upload them onto your own TikTok channel over here on TikTok. So like once you do that, that is essentially gonna get you a lot of free traffic and a lot of clicks, because these videos are usually very engaging. Now when that happens, you can essentially use a website like a clickbank.com. So like simply come on to clickbank.com. This is basically an affiliate marketplace, meaning you can use this to find yourself a lot of affiliate products and commissions and everything. So click on the top right where it says sign up, and then simply sign up for absolutely free. Now once you click on sign up, after that simply put in your first name, last name, email address, and your password. And once you do that, you are done with the sign up process. So I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second once I log in myself. So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply take a look at the left side, and over here you can see all the different category of products that they have available. So now from over here, simply choose the health and fitness section. Now once you do that, you will essentially see all the products that are present in the health and fitness category. So now you have the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, you have the BioFit, you have the Denny Tonic, you have the Diabetes Freedom and all that stuff. So what you can do is you can simply take a look at the right side. You have to see how much commission you are making from each product. So once you know how much commission you are making, then take a look at the bottom over here. Now from over here, you can essentially see the stats of a particular product. The initial conversion is going to be $140. The recurring rebill, basically how much money you will make every single month, is going to be $34. Then you have the graph. The graph is basically an indication of how good the particular product is. So now from over here, anything over 100 on the graph scale is basically considered to be a good product. So if it is more than 100, you're good to go. Then you have the category, and then you have the stats and everything. So that is amazing in itself. So now click on promote, and then once you click on promote, from over here simply click on generate hop links. Once you do this, you have your affiliate link in front of you. So now click on this particular button to copy your affiliate link, and then simply what I want you to do is that I want you to simply upload your weight loss video, and then after that simply put in your affiliate link in the description or in the bio of your particular TikTok. So once you do that, you will be good to go, and you will be getting a lot of sales on TikTok as an affiliate marketer, and that is basically how you can get started affiliate marketing on TikTok. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.